Today, I'd like to talk about the quick access toolbar. That's this bar up here. Let me show you how to utilize this to minimize your keystrokes and to maximize your Excel screen using this Excel quick access bar. So up here, you can click on this and you can show everything. You see this all takes up part of your screen. It's always there. So what I like to do is to show tabs, and then you get more of a picture here. So the other thing is that this bar, if you haven't done so already, has can be shown in two different places. One is above the ribbon, so it looks like that. Or it can be shown below the ribbon, which is where I like it. Because this has the common commands that you use, however you might be using Excel. So I happen to be in a situation where I need to add some icons. So how do I add icons? So I'm going to come over here to SIPMath Modeler Tools, which brings open the toolbar for SIPMath Modeler Tools. It doesn't matter what application you're talking about. And I want to add generate input. So I'm going to right click here and say add to quick access bar. I want to define outputs, add to the quick access bar. I want a graph, add to the quick access bar. I want to do the save tables, add to the quick access bar. And I think I want to do get stats, add to the quick access bar. Oh, and how about trials? We'll do trials as well. And after I've done that, you can see I have all these additional icons up here. And they'll stay there forever until something happens, all right? You can also delete variables. So let's say I wanted to delete this one. I think I can right-click and I can remove from the quick access bar. So that's how you get in and out of that. And then there's another one which is really important, which I think is the paste values. So let's say I have an equation equals 1 plus 2, right? And I want to make that a value. I can copy that, Control C, and then I can come down here and someplace else put a paste value. So I really use this. And then there's another one, paste values and the source formatting. And those are kind of hard to find. So let me see if I can show you where to find those. I'm going to come up here and hit this down arrow key. And I can say see more commands. They're under values. Oh, I need not popular commands. I want to see all commands. So this gives you, oh my gosh, it gives you, I don't know, hundreds of different icons here that you can use. They're all alphabetical. But if you come down here to values, do we see a 1, 2, 3 here somewhere? Values. Here's paste values. And here's paste value sorting and format, those two. So those are two you might want to consider adding. And then over here, you can take these things and you can move them up or down. So you can order, cancel. So you can order the icons up here based on things that are related that you might use in sequence. So I think that's what I wanted to show. So I hope you found this little video helpful in setting up your quick access toolbar.